Oh my gosh. Yo. Yo. Oh. Yo. Alright, ready? What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's a late start vlog type of thing. Today we're gonna be doing something fun. I think it's fun. I've been thinking about doing it for a while now, so we're gonna go get the supplies and then, yeah. But first we're gonna go eat because I'm pretty starving, and I think Moises is too. All right, y'all, we made it. We got the Skagit burgers. And we're gonna get fries. We're just waiting to order now.
Alright, Primo, we got the stuff right there. Looks so good. This is the bacon ranch. Bacon ranch and jalapenos. They're like the best, like honestly.
Went to the dollar store to get a whole bunch of rubber bands, and then we're heading to this fruit market that we have here nearby to get a watermelon. And if that doesn't tell you what we're doing, then maybe you haven't watched enough YouTube, alright? Let me just say that. I don't know. But yeah, we're gonna do some sort of fun thing for you guys and for us. And yeah, we'll see you when we're at the dollar store. I'm gonna munch out while driving, so.
Alright, guys. We got the rubber bands. We're gonna go get a watermelon. I don't know how long it's gonna take. Maybe 30 minutes with his slow legs. Primo makes me a slave, basically, because he made me make those. Yeah, it's a hard life for me. Yeah, well, I'm just gonna wait for him and see when he gets back. Alright, we back. We got the watermelon. It's pretty huge. We got the rubber bands, like I said. Now we're just heading home.
Alright, guys. Oh, we don't have a table back here. So we got the stuff, and now, yeah, I think I'm a little too bright. Let me take that. Oh, there you go. So we got all the stuff. I got the rubber band and the watermelon, and so now we're just looking for a spot because usually there's a table back here, but it's not back here. Oh, here's more. There's no table. Where'd it go?
Hedge.
No. Guys, I think this might be a fail. Yep. Oh no, we both have to do it. So like, you grab that end.
Yeah, no, you gotta put the camera on the table.
Yo, I think I'm gonna.
Oh, sorry. We got it.
That is the first one. All right. Great. Okay.
Not too great.
This is scary because I hate when rubber bands break.
Hey, yo.
I need your. Oh no, I like it. If this rips, it's gonna hurt.
Yes, ma'am.
One. I'm not even gonna count because.
What's your Snapchat?
Ow!
Yeah, it's good.
Oh my God.
Oh!
That's like on the.
No!
Put it down, put it down, put it down, put it down. No, it's gonna go.
That's on your side. My head. Good.
Okay. Oh, that's scary.
Dude, it still breaks, dude. That's gonna hurt.
You know, this.
Oh! I see it.
Where'd it go? Oh! Ouch! Spin around. It's scary. Ow! I'm good. Careful. Jeez.
Then I went to the bathroom.
Get up, right.
Oh my gosh! Oh, we had it on.
I'm sorry, bro. I don't know why it's not hitting.
Oh, my fingers.
Oh, bruh.
Cuando se explota, lo voy a agarrar así y lo... Y no tiene semillas, está bueno.
Yeah, it's a
minute. Oh, 30. Dude.
Middle, obviously.
I know, but we put some like that are here, like
on the top.
Like
we're not gonna go all the way to the bottom because we have to stretch it out more to go around.
Yeah, I know, but we have to place them like just.
Nope.
Are you gonna sit down? Oh, you should have done that one. I should have done this one. Yeah, there's really good ones right here. There's 2 good ones right here. Another one right there.
Oh!
That's the one you saw the tear in. Oh, I didn't. Ah.
No.
Feel it. Here, bring the vault camera and feel it for them.
You're gonna feel it? Watch. Like you can
Touch the screen and feel it.
y'all feel that? Yeah. It might. You know,
oh, it smells like Daddy's beer.
Did it crack? I pushed it in. I felt it. It was swishy.
Oh my gosh!
Oh shoot!
Oh my gosh!
Guys, I don't know if you can see that. It's like gushing out blood. Boys, keep putting rubber bands. Dude, it's moving. You're lying. Yo, it is moving.
Dude.
Yo.
I'm out.
Boy, come back.
How come California people always get this right?
So it got dark, like really dark, and
There's even bats outside.
yeah, there's even bats outside. So I'm thinking that we might have to find another way of destructing this thing tomorrow.
Last one.
How'd you kill that? Oh my god! Punch as hard as you can. That wasn't as hard as you can.
I don't want to hurt my hand.
Go. Oh my gosh. Yo. Yo.
Oh.
Yo.
Oh! Oh my god!
Yo. That was perfect.
Oh. Look at that! It's over.
Where's the thing? Where's the whole rubber band thing?
Oh my gosh, guys! Look at this. Oh my! Feels like top ramen.
I hope I caught that.
Oh.
Nope.